boys and girls, we're gonna do some reviewing with our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, if you have your math page out, you can go along and work with me. If you don't, then you can watch for directions and then you'll know what to do when it's your turn. At the top it says count in order to 5. The directions say count the objects in each set or group. Write the number beside it. So we're going to look at each picture and see how many objects or how many things are in that set or that group. So we've got an umbrella, like an umbrella you would see on the beach. I see one umbrella, so write the number 1. Think about your poem. Straight line down and then we're done. That's the way to make a 1. Next, we're going to look at these shells. Let's touch and count each shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to write the number 5. Go over and make his hat. Go down to make his back. Go around to make 5's tummy round and fat. If you have trouble with that one, it's okay. We're just learning, and so take some practice. Next, look at the pails or the buckets. There are 1, 2. So write your number 2. Start near the top. Remember, you go around and back. Next, we have some shovels. Let's count each shovel. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the number 4, we start at the top, we go down to the dotted line, go over, pick up your pencil, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And our last picture is the starfish. We have 1, 2, 3. So for 3, you're going to go around to the dotted line, around to the bottom line. All right, now they have a question for you. We've written a 1, 5, 2, 4, and 3. They want us to put those numbers in order the way we would if we were counting. So if we're counting, we always start with 1. So write your 1. What comes after 1? 2. Take your time and write your numbers. Then 3. Next is 4. And then 5. Make his hat, make his back, make 5's tummy. Round and fat. So yours should be in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like we were counting. Alright, after you finish that, you'll pick up that page and remember we turn it and fold it, flip it over. Alright, up here by the apple, they want to know which set of numbers is in order. So that's exactly what we just did. So you need to check each set or each group and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that in order? Yes, that is the way we count. So mark it. That was easy. So that means the rest of them must not be out. We don't start with 2. We don't start counting with 3. We don't start counting with the 5. So it was the very first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the sunshine, count and tell how many stars are in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find your answer. And the last one by the leaf says trace the number. So we're going to trace the 3 around a tree, around a tree. How many counters would you put in that 5 frame to show that number 3? Well, the number says 3, so we would need to fill in 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and then color them. And then mark under your answer. Well, the number's 3. We filled in 3 spaces on the 5 frame, so we're going to mark the number 3. All right, great work today, boys and girls. If you have any questions, send me a message. After you finish this page, I've also linked a math game on our site today, so you can just click on that link, and then I want you to play the pizza game where you are counting the pizza. Have fun with that.